If reading is what you're not needing, then this summary with Jessica will really be helpful to you. Before you read this article down below, you can watch this video and it'll give you a quick rundown of what it's about. If you're falling behind on your mortgage, one of the first worries that hits is your credit. And you might be wondering, the truth is, foreclosure is one of the most serious marks you can have on your credit report. But once you understand what actually happens, how long it lasts, and what you can do to bounce back, the whole situation feels a lot less scary. So here's the simple version. A foreclosure tells lenders that you couldn't keep up with one of the biggest debts most people ever take on. And because the process includes months of missed payments, the damage doesn't come from just one event, it builds up over time. Most people see their credit drop anywhere from 100 to 160 points, and if you had great credit to begin with, that drop can look a little bigger. Report for 7 years, but the impact fades much sooner, especially if you build good habits right away. A year of on-time payments can make a huge difference. And yes, you can buy a home again, 2 years. Conventional loans, usually 7, unless there were major extenuating circumstances. A short sale, or even selling to a cash buyer before the auction can protect your credit and help you start fresh without that long-term damage. And if you are already facing foreclosure, don't panic, there are still paths forward and ways to rebuild. If you want help understanding your options or you'd like to explore a fast, stress-free sale to protect your credit, KEES Homes is here to walk you through everything step by step. Just reach out when you're ready.